It's cold. Hi, friends. Have you ever heard someone say, why am I doing this? Why am I getting the same result after several trials, after doing it several times? I call it stuck in the loop mood. When you keep trying something or doing something the same way, definitely you don't expect different results. You keep on getting the same results. Sometimes you need to think outside the box. Sometimes you need to try other ways, other means of doing that thing to be able to achieve a different result, which might be more beneficial or better than what you are getting presently. And that's why sometimes you might require a coach to guide you into the right way to do things. I want to encourage you, as we are ending this year 2025, to look at all the ways you've been doing things from January to now. See if you have got the achieved result, you have achieved the result you desire. If you have not, then you have to think seriously about trying other ways to do those things. You have to think very well. And in order to help you, this first module is like self-discovery, self-awareness of who you are and how you could manage your options. All you need to do is to be faithful to yourself. Answer honestly the questions that are there. There's a way that I've designed it to guide you so that you can get your desired results. Something like a sunrise dawn, creating that hope for you, which will propel you to a better version of yourself, personal development and professional development in the new year 2026. I don't want you to be stuck in the loop mode. This is a new beginning. You must start on the right footing. I'm Dr. Josephine. I'm a life and health coach.